Hi there, my name is Jan Molak. I'm an independent consultant helping teams around the world deliver better software. What I've noticed in my work, and I'm sure this is something you have observed in your career as well, is that there are certain classes of problems that every company that develops software must face at some point, no matter their domain, their size, or their industry. What I like to do when I come across those problems is to strip them down to their very essence and create open source tools to help us solve those classes of problems more efficiently in the future. Now, the problem I would like to talk to you about today is layering your acceptance tests. I'm sure we all know that a good automated test suite, just like a good diet, should be balanced. You need a mixture of tests that exercise the system at various levels and through different interfaces. Hopefully, we all know that we need unit tests in our testing diet, but all the higher levels of testing and ways to go about them are a bit more fuzzy. What I've seen typically happen on software projects is that you'll have developers writing unit tests, and you'll have testers writing the acceptance tests. And while the unit tests are exercising the objects and functions in isolation, the acceptance tests are on the complete opposite side of the spectrum. They exercise the entire assembled system through its slowest and most unstable interface. The same interface the user would use, or the user interface. One of the many side effects of this approach is that you end up with test suites written by different groups of people, each responsible for their own layer and with little understanding or visibility of the other layers. And because of this limited visibility, those separate test suites quickly become disjointed, suffer from duplication, and are not as portable, efficient, or useful as they could have been if a different design was used. So, what I would like to show you today is that this state is not a given. Your acceptance tests don't have to be limited to the user interface. They might as well exercise any other external interface of your system. And all this without duplicating your test code. Furthermore, your tests don't have to run against the deployed version of the application. You can design them in a way that enables developers to run them locally as they're writing the production code. Better yet, you can design your test code so that it's easy to reuse across projects and teams within your organization. And make your tests so easy to understand and maintain that your entire team gets involved, even if they're not experts in test automation like you are. What I'm about to show you in this talk is Serenity.js, an open source next generation acceptance testing framework that builds on the shoulders of other frameworks you already know and gives you tools and patterns to make full stack scalable acceptance testing a reality. Okay, let's get started, shall we?